like if you see this lens properly, here you will see that it is tapering. Okay, it is tapering towards the edge. Means it is non-parallel. Okay, it is like a triangle. Okay, so if you see one convex lens carefully, it will appear as if it is part of, means there are three parts. Upper part is like prism, lower part is like prism, and central portion is like glass slab. Okay, so one prism consists of three parts, one lens, convex lens consists of three parts, two prisms and one glass slab. Okay, so upper portion is prism, lower is prism, in between there is glass slab. And we know that whenever ray of light passes through prism, it bends towards the base. In last class only we did, it will bend towards the base while entering, again it will bend towards the base while going out. Okay, in case of glass slab, you will see when ray of light is entering, it will move toward base, but while going out, it will go away from the base. That's the main difference between prism and glass slab. In glass slab, while entering, it is moving toward base, while going out, it is going away from the base. If I stretch path of incident ray, I will see there is one like parallel line, means path of incident ray is parallel to emergent ray, means they are going in same path only, means it is not deviating, there is only lateral displacement. But here if I stretch, I will see it is deviating from its path. This angle is called as angle of deviation. This we have done in previous class. Okay, so here there are two prisms having their bases facing toward each other. So convex lens consists of two prisms having their bases facing toward each other. Now when I am passing ray of light, it will bend towards the base, Here also ray of light will bend towards the base, That's why ray of light will converge to a point. Okay. So why convex lens is converging? Because convex lens consists of two prisms and one glass slab. Okay. Top and bottom are like prism. Okay. And central portion is like glass slab. And when ray of light passes through prism, it always moves towards the base. Okay, and here bases are facing toward each other. Therefore, they will move toward each other. Okay, so what answer you will write? Convex lens consists of two prisms having their bases facing toward each other. Therefore, ray of light will converge toward each other and they will meet at a point. And if you see concave now, concave is also like two prisms and one glass slab. But here difference is what? See, this is glass slab, right? Here bases are facing opposite, away from each other, opposite to each other. Okay. So when ray of light will enter, it will bend towards the base, again towards the base. Same thing from down, towards the base, again towards the base. And they will meet at one point. Okay. That's why concave is diverging, convex is converging. Okay, why concave lens is diverging lens? Because concave lens consists of two prisms at top and bottom having their bases facing away from each other. Therefore, ray of light will move away from each other. Okay, and when ray of light is going from central portion is what? Glass slab. In glass slab there is lateral displacement. Okay, and since lens is very thin, okay, lens, whether it is convex lens or concave lens, you will see it is very thin. So central portion is very thin. So here lateral displacement is there, but it is negligible. So we ignore it and we say ray of light is going straight. So when ray of light is passing from optical center like this or like this, okay, it will go straight only because here it is not deviating, because in glass slab ray of light does not deviate. Okay, fine. So very important.